Hello guys, this is Liana Weekly, and today we're making paper airplanes just for fun, and let's get started. First thing you get is a piece of paper. The second thing you do is fold it in half. The third thing you do is unfold it, and then the fourth thing you do, you fold both of the corners on each side towards the middle. Then you fold it again towards the middle, both sides. Then you flip the paper over and you fold it again towards the middle. And here's your paper airplane. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe down below towards my channel, and comment down below what other crafts you want me to do.